Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today we show you an easy way to cook pork ribs. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. We're using pork spare ribs for this recipe. Now I do like a rack of baby back ribs, but you know the old saying, if you're going to have one, have a big one. First we make the marinade for the pork. Simply put the salt, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cumin powder, smoked paprika and ground black pepper into a bowl. Next it's time to add the oil, 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix in until the consistency you want is achieved. You should be looking for something that looks like this. Next we put the ribs in a suitably sized bowl, spoon over the marinade and massage in well. Remember, if you don't like your hands to get all sticky, get your wife to do it. I don't give you all the messy jobs, just most of them. When this is done, place the ribs on an oiled sheet of aluminium foil and form into a tight parcel, as you see here. It must be said, when it comes to such procedures as this, my wife's lightness of touch was a gift from the angels. Mind you, where she got her foul temper from remains more of a mystery. Then it's off to 160 degrees C oven for 2 hours. When the 2 hours are up, you could simply remove from the oven, open the parcel and serve. But the sun was shining and the birds were singing and it was cold beer in the fridge, so we thought we'd finish them off on the barbecue. And remember, we're not looking to cook these ribs at the moment, they're already cooked. We just want to give them some extra colour and a hint of smokiness. And if you're lucky, maybe someone will put chicken and chorizo skewers on there at the same time. So there I was, cold drink in hand, ribs on my plate, watching the sun go down. My wife leaned over and said to me in her sensual voice,
"Get your own beer, you lazy Welsh git."
Well, you can't have everything. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.